Good morning. We're on day 5 of the cruise. I'm up here up top by the slides. Yesterday was Freeport. Today is going to be Carnival's island, Half Moon Cay. Can't wait. I've seen it on other YouTube channels, and the beach looks really nice. We look forward to it. You have to take a like a smaller boat to the island, and they have like buffet there, and they have like a bar inside of a ship, like a old pirate ship it looks like. But yeah, we'll show you around there. Water out. Oh, it feels really nice. There's our cruise ship over there. Oh, it's like nice cool water. Check that out. That's clear. That is some clear water. By the way, we made it. We made it to Half Moon Cay, or however you say it. Man, this is some nice water, nice and cool, especially because it's like pretty hot outside right now. This is great. I'll probably go walk around, show the island a little bit. Over there is the that bar I was talking about. We'll head over there in a few minutes. But yeah, just wanted to give like a little taste of what we have here. Look at those fish. These fish will swim up to you. That's cool. Go up the slide. Whoa. Whoa. Careful. Check this out. They got misting stations in different areas, so you can come and cool off a little bit.
Where's the kid one? Is it that way? I'm sure.
They have a church right here. The gift shops are over here.